In this video, I will show you step by step how you can hide your phone number on WhatsApp. So the first thing that we need to do is head over to our WhatsApp, and then you will now want to click on settings in the bottom right hand corner. Now, once we click on settings, if you then scroll down and go over to help, what you'll now notice on this page, there's no option to hide your phone number. So what we need to do is go back, and then if we head back up and go over to account, and then if we head back up and go over to privacy, again you will now see that there's not actually an option in order to hide your phone number. Now if you've been added to a group, people will then be able to see your phone number. So unfortunately at the moment there is no way that you can hide this. Maybe in the future WhatsApp will bring out an update where you can hide your phone number, but if you've been added to a group, the chances are that they already know your phone number anyway. So it's just that simple, guys. Unfortunately at the moment you are unable to hide your phone number on WhatsApp.